Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with PartnerStack for SaaS referrals step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings with PartnerStack for SaaS referrals, first, log into your PartnerStack account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the home icon. On the dashboard, look for the earnings section and click on it. In the earnings section, you'll see a summary of your current earnings. Locate the withdraw button, which is usually positioned near your earnings total. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be directed to a page that outlines the withdrawal options available. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available choices. Depending on your selection, you may need to input additional information, such as your bank account details or PayPal address. Make sure to double-check all the information you provided for accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your information, click on the Submit or Confirm button to proceed. After submission, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Depending on your chosen method, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your account. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. If there are any issues, you can reach out to PartnerStack's support team for assistance. Congratulations, you've successfully initiated your withdrawal with PartnerStack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.